Hello, for making this koala, these are the materials: a fiberfill, and this two type of, this one safety eyes and the other is for the nose, but this is optional. You can use a yarn for the nose, and this is the type of yarn I use for this koala. Now start by making a magic ring. Chain, and then single crochet of 1, 2, 3, half double crochet 1, 2, 3, then double crochet 1, 2, and 3, and then 3 triple crochet. Then pull the tail, and then leave a extra tail and cut the yarn. Then you will place the ear after the 3 rounds in here, like this position. So insert below, going to the 3rd round on this. Okay. For the feet, this is very easy. Just form a magic ring, chain, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring. Then after that, make a chain and leave an extra tail and cut the yarn. Then place this one right on this side like this. And for the arms, form a magic ring, chain, and 6 single crochet, spiral for 5 rounds. And now for making this head, I have a video from video 1 to 5, and they have all the same pattern of this one, so you can find in my description below for the head and also for this part. Okay, so you can also make all the series of animals in the pot, and then leave a extra tail for this one so we can sew these two parts. And then place the safety eyes below the 6 rounds. Here. And then nose 7 rounds. Then 3 stitches apart below this eye.